that's why the Weiser SmartCode keyless entry does not work well in our Canadian winters, or anybody living in the US border states where you get freezing cold temperatures like today. Minus 36 Celsius would be minus 32 in the US, and the lock is just too cold. The metal in the latch expands greatly and doesn't line up with the latch hole right up here. And what you just saw was the latch cycling, trying to exit and slide into that hole. If you're like me and you got home and you closed the door behind you and you entered the house thinking it will lock behind you, you get into something, you're upstairs, you don't hear that happening, that's going to happen every 10 minutes trying to close the latch. It's definitely going to wear out your batteries, but most of all, it's going to wear out the latch mechanism inside of the deadbolt, having your lock fail prematurely. One solution is when the winter gets cold, pull out the batteries and only use your key to lock and unlock the door. But if you're like me and you want to continue using the feature, because that's why you spent the money on this lock, then you just got to make sure when you leave the house and you go to lock the door, before you punch in your code, because the same thing will happen when you're exiting the house, you'll punch in your code, you'll just press lock to lock the latch and it'll cycle the same way, not locking. Pull in on your door handle when you press that lock button and it should travel in smoother, have a better chance anyways of getting in there if you're putting pressure on the door, helping the latch line up with the hole. And then when you get home, you just can't rely on the automated lock and walk away from the door. Go ahead and manually lock the door every time, pushing in on the door while you lock. You'll see there's much less resistance when I just did that, as opposed to just trying to lock. I'm getting some resistance here, but if I push in and turn, easy peasy smooth. So that's where you want to do that on the inside, and you want to pull in on the door handle when you exit and press that lock button. That'll give you many more years on your lock and allow you to keep using the keyless entry throughout the cold winters. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. I love reading them. I always make sure to reply, and hearing that these little videos might have helped somebody out really means a lot. But if you got into the point where you've used this lock for too many winters and your latch has already failed, I'm going to put a link in my bio to where you can get a replacement Weiser latch on Amazon, and a link to a video where I show you how to replace the latch. It's not too hard. You can do it yourself.